You asked, how to divide 4,488 by 34 using the long division method. 4 is too small. Use 44. 44 divided by 34 equals 1. 1 times 34 equals 34. 44 minus 34 equals 10. Bring down 8, making 108. 108 divided by 34 equals 3. 3 times 34 equals 102. 108 minus 102 equals 6. Bring down 8, making 68. 68 divided by 34 equals 2. 2 times 34 equals 68. 68 minus 68 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 132.